Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You already have your clips in Imovie. Now begin. First, pick a reference frame that represents the look you want and select the clip. Click Color Balance to fix white balance automatically, then switch to Color Correction for manual control. This sets a stable baseline. Use the eyedropper for neutral tones and nudge exposure or brightness slightly to match monitors. Once done, you'll have a consistent starting point for all clips, which makes later grading simpler and faster. Now refine tone and color. This is where the grade forms. You'll tweak exposure and contrast first, make small moves to avoid clipping highlights, and check shadows for crushed detail. Next, adjust saturation and temperature. If skin tones look off, warm or cool by small increments until natural. Use the Match Color feature for quick consistency, or copy and paste color corrections between similar shots. Once you see a pleasing balance, play the sequence to confirm smooth finish by applying subtle stylistic filters and final micro adjustments. Choose a filter that complements your grade, then dial back saturation or contrast so the look remains cinematic, not overdone. Export a short test clip and view it on your target screens, phones, monitors, TV, to ensure colors hold. If you notice shifts, make sure your monitor is calibrated and that Imovie isn't importing mismatched color spaces. Then revert the last heavy adjustment and reapply lighter corrections. That troubleshooting step fixes most grading issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.